जन्म नक्षत्रे
जन्म राशि जातस्य
रोहन शर्मणः यजमानस्य ज्येष्ठा नक्षत्रे वृश्चिक रासौ जातस्य मंजुवांगल शर्मणः यजमानस्य आरुद्रा नक्षत्रे मिथुन रासौ जातस्य रमेश वांगल शर्मणः यजमानस्य जन्म नक्षत्रे जन्म राशि विशाखा नक्षत्रे विशाखा नक्षत्रे तुला रासौ जातस्य आरुद्रा वांगल वर्मणः यजमानस्य अपभरणी नक्षत्रे मेष रासौ जातस्य नयनतारा पाल सिंह शर्मणः यजमानस्य रोहिणी नक्षत्रे वृषभ रासौ जातस्य सुशील कटका शर्मणः यजमानस्य उत्तराषाढ़ नक्षत्रे मकर रासौ जातस्य जातायाः रीटानाम्याः यजमान्यायाः रेवती नक्षत्रे मीन रासौ जातस्य सागर्षा विक्रम शर्मणः यजमानस्य पूर्व फल्गुनी नक्षत्रे सिंह रासौ जातस्य
बेबी सौम्या
जातायाः बेबी सौम्या नाम्याः अस्य यजमान्यायाः मूला नक्षत्रे धनुर्रासौ जातस्य
भार्गव आत्मोरी
शर्मणः यजमानस्य जन्म नक्षत्रे जन्म रासौ जातस्य नंसार्या आत्मोरी शर्मणः यजमानस्य जन्म नक्षत्रे जन्म राशि जातस्य राघवात्मोरी शर्मणः यजमानस्य पुष्यमी नक्षत्रे कर्कटक रासौ जातस्य सुरपराजु साई प्रवीण शर्मणः यजमानस्य रोहिणी नक्षत्रे वृषभ रासौ जातस्य सुरपराजु प्रशांति नाम्याः यजमानस्य रोहिणी नक्षत्रे वृषभ रासौ जातस्य साई प्रज्ञा नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः स्वाति नक्षत्रे तुला रासौ जातस्य
साई प्रणव
शर्मणः अस्य यजमानस्य
पूर्वभद्र
पूर्व रोष्टपदा नक्षत्रे कुंभरासौ जातस्य
सुरेंद्र कुमार रेड्डी
शर्मणः अश्विनी नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ जातायाः लक्ष्मी स्वप्नानाम्याः यजमान्यायाः रोहिणी नक्षत्रे वृषभरासौ जातस्य
साई गुणरांजन रेड्डी
शर्मणः यजमानस्य कुमारस्य
उत्तरभाद्रा नक्षत्र
उत्तर रोष्टपदा नक्षत्रे मीनरासौ जातस्य
आदित्य साई रेड्डी
नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः अपभरणी नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ जातस्य श्रीसानाम्याः यजमान्यायाः उत्तरफल्गुनी नक्षत्रे सिंहरासौ जातस्य मुत्तकृष्ण शर्मणः यजमानस्य पूर्वाषाढा नक्षत्रे धनुर्रासौ जातायाः षण्मुखप्रिया नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः रेवती नक्षत्रे मीनरासौ जातस्य नंदिनी नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः उत्तरफल्गुनी नक्षत्रे सिंहरासौ जातस्य मरुदमुत्तुवर्मणः यजमानस्य पुष्यमी नक्षत्रे कर्कटकरासौ जातस्य कुमरगुरुवर्मणः यजमानस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे मिथुनरासौ जातस्य शोभना नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः पुष्यमी नक्षत्रे कर्कटकरासौ जातस्य नवनीत कृष्ण शर्मणः यजमानस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे मिथुनरासौ जातायाः कविता नाम्याः यजमान्यायाः मूला नक्षत्रे धनुर्रासौ जातस्य कृष्णदेव शर्मणः यजमानस्य आवयोः सह कुटुम्बयोः सर्वाभीष्ट सिद्ध्यर्थं अद्य वेदिक फ्लो अद्य उपरि व्यापार द्वारा अतिउन्नत प्राप्त्यर्थं आदि आत्मक आदिदैविक आदिभौतिक आदित्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणां शुभ अनुकूल्यता यो दोषः समजनि तद्धोष परिहारार्थम् अद्य वैदिक श्लोक द्वारा श्री महादेव रुद्र जप होमाख्यं कर्म करिष्यमानः तथातो शुद्ध्यर्थं वृद्ध्यर्थं शान्त्यर्थं अभ्युदय अर्थञ्च जनैः सह स्वस्ति पुण्याः वचनं कर्म करिष्ये स्वस्ति पुण्याः वचनं कर्म करिष्ये वरुणाय नमः सकल आराधनै स्वर्चितम्
performing the first of 12 Rudra series of Homam, Mahadeva Rudra. So Mahadeva Rudra is a very auspicious form of Rudras, who is Lord Shiva himself. He has pure white, very kind, and who accept all the dosas of the human beings, who is in a very peaceful form. So he is called as Mahadeva in Vedas. So he is having a name of Mahadeva Rudra. So for Mahadeva Rudra, in the head region, he has Ganges, which is flowing down to give purity to Lord Shiva, to get pure from all the destruction he is carrying away. So whatever issues we have in life, the miseries, sorrows, the dosas which we have will be taken by this Mahadeva Rudra. So he will take all your dosas, all your miseries and sorrows, and he will give you a complete peace and trance, and whatever health issues, may it a small fever to a bigger critical issues, Mahadeva Rudra will able to protect you and get out of any dangers to your body, and he will save and protect your body at all times. So when we say about how Rudra came, Rudra is a form of Shiva. The birth of Rudra, there are different history beyond this. So he is from Brahma himself. Even before the creation of Prajapatis, Brahma had created Sanatana, Sanaka, Sanatana and Sanatkumara. These four were not desirous of mundane pleasures and were not prepared to beget children. They were great sages and scholars of abstinence and without any discord and animosity. When these four showed no interest and all in the creation of the world, Brahma became very angry to such an extent that he was prepared to destroy all the three worlds. At that time, the whole of the three worlds shone in the radiance that emanated from the fire of the fury of Brahma. Then from his shining eyebrows, which were curved with fury, a figure of unbearable radiance like the midday sun came up. That figure was Rudra. Half of the fierce body of Rudra, who was very furious, was woman, and other half was a man. So Lord Brahma says to divide the body, and he disappeared. Instantly, Rudra split himself into 11 different forms, and that's why we are doing 11 Rudras. Plus, we are also doing Maheshwara, who is the soul of, who is the giver of soul. So this 11 Rudras has 11 positions in the heart, the 5 organs of the senses and the organs of accents, and to the Rudra the 8 positions of life: ether, air, fire, water, earth, the sun and the moon. It was said before that Rudra was divided into man and woman. From the woman portion, 11 Rudranis came into being. They were Di, Vriddhi, Usana, Uma, Niyutta, Sarpis, Ila, Ambiga, Iravati, Sudha and Diksha. These 11 Rudranis become the wives of 11 Rudras. And another Maheshwara, as you know, he has a wife, Parvati Devi, who is a Moola. So this was how Rudras emanated. There are different histories how Rudra came and what is the purpose of Rudra. Normally, Rudras are a very powerful form to be known to everyone. He is the one who is giving us death, and who is the one who is removing us from all the sorrows and miseries due to the repeated cycle of birth and death. So among 11 Rudras, 2 Rudras will give us death, who will separate our body from the soul and mind. So once the body is separated, the soul and mind will wander around this material world until Maheswara, who is the 12th Rudra, come and separate from body and soul. That's why we are calling the spirits and souls which is circulating during that period, because when two Rudras, any of the Rudra will kill, he will send the Sula and he will kill the body from the soul and mind. Once the body is separated, the soul and mind will wander around until he get Maheswara. That period comes in his astrological Kala as per karma. If the period is same, when Maheswara and Rudras are coming at the same time, then it means we are going to get a very higher planet, might be a very higher Vaikuntha. When Vaikuntha comes, Srimad Narayana comes, but when Maheswara comes at the time of Rudra, at the same time, then it means we are going to higher planets. Otherwise, the soul will circulate for few days or few months until Maheswara will come to separate the soul from the mind, because the mind is attached to the soul even when the body is separated. So that's why Rudras are very powerful. So having done this Rudra series of Homam for the sponsors, this will definitely be change the destiny of the sponsors, because Rudras will protect not only the body, he will be guiding the sponsors in getting a very higher planets and even going back to Srimad Narayana, Sri Vaikuntha. So that's why it's very powerful of any other homams. So it's a very ancient homams, because Rudras are part and parcel of Lord Shiva. And I like to thank the main sponsors who is sponsoring all the 12 homams: Hero Bachani and family, Manju Magal and family, Sushil Katka and family, Bhargav Atmori and family, Surab Raju Sai Previn and family, Surendra Kumar Reddy and family, and Muthu Krishnan and family for taking this sponsorship and getting the complete grace of Rudra in their life. So there are around 7 sponsors for this Rudra. So we will have 12 days which we are performing this Homam. So please watch the live schedule. Now we are going to start with Ganesha Homam, and then we will do Mahadeva Rudra Homam, and we will do Durga Suktam and Sri Suktam and Namaskaram process, Purnavudi Namaskaram process. So please get the blessing from the first Rudra, Mahadeva Rudra, who is one among the 2 Sulas who can able to guide you towards immortality.
Om Namaste Dastu Bhagavan Vishnu Bhagaya Mahadevaya Priyam Bhagaya Tripuram Bhagaya Om Yadam Krishna 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 Om Gananandra Ganavayo Kavindarena Vadavadava Jai Bharam Brahmana Brahmana Shrivana Sedalaga Swaha
chant Mahaganapati Nama until we finish Ganesha Homam now.
మనసు చుట్టేది.
So please do it in your heart.
ప్రార్థన చేయండి.
So please do the Prarthana until we complete Ganesha Homam.